let's do this. I'm ready. I'm finally ready to say this. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I have something very important to say. I am a cheater. Yes, I know. I am cheating, and I need to just put this out there. I am cheating. I don't know how long this is going to take for me to get through this video, and hopefully I don't cry, but I am a cheater. I have been cheating for the past few days. Over the weekend, this has been such a fun weekend for me, but I realize I do need to come clean. So, I have been cheating on the ukuleles, which are behind me and everywhere in the studio. I have been cheating on every single one with... Ricky, you can do this. Okay. I've been cheating with this baritone ukulele from Lanikai, and I wanted to introduce the baritone to you because this is going to be more involved in our lives and on this channel. So hopefully you enjoy this uke, and hopefully you appreciate the baritone sound. I really think that we can get to know each other way better and get to include this baritone in the Potato Squad and the uke fam. So please give this uke a chance. I'm just kidding, actually. This is a new uke, which is a baritone ukulele from Lanikai. The model number is MAB, and honestly, you guys, I am so obsessed with this uke. I do love my ukes, and the ukes will be such a staple on this channel, but this baritone uke has changed my life. I love just how it sounds, the full deep richness of this uke. It just reminds me of a guitar, and obviously I've been trying to learn the guitar for like 5 months, and I've been very unsuccessful because I keep going back to the uke. So if you've never seen a baritone ukulele, this is what it looks like. It's a lot bigger, so I'll show you in comparison. This is a Leolani concert ukulele. You've seen this on this channel. Look at the size difference. It is absolutely bananas. Like, if I put it behind here, you probably wouldn't even know that there's a uke behind this baritone. So it's a lot bigger. So this is the size comparison. And what's mostly different about this uke is it is tuned differently to a standard uke. So this baritone is tuned more like a guitar. So the baritone is tuned like this: D, G, B, and then E. Whereas the standard tuning for a ukulele is G, C, E, and A. So as you can see, not only is the size a lot different, but also the tuning is a lot different. So it takes a little bit to get used to, because a G chord on this is different to a G chord on the baritone. The finger placements are sort of the same, the shapes are the same, but the naming are completely different. So it's like learning a second language from the standard size uke to a baritone uke, and those are the major differences. So let's hear how it sounds with a play test. I'm gonna sing Can't Help Falling in Love on the baritone while singing. So let's start that off in 3, 2, 1. Take it away. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't And so it goes, some things are meant to be. So take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you, for I can't help falling in love with you. Did it. So that is my secret. I have been cheating on the uke with this baritone ukulele. Again, if you guys do want more tutorials or covers with the baritone, let me know in the comments below. I would love to include the baritone more in this channel, but obviously the standardized uke will be the main focus for this channel. But again, if you've been thinking about getting a baritone, or if you're like, we're curious how it sounds or plays, then I would be more than happy to play more of this baritone uke on this channel. If you do want to get this one or are interested in getting a baritone ukulele, this is a really great affordable one. Again, it's from Lanikai. The model number is MAB, and it's super affordable for a baritone. I will leave a link in the description below where you can go get this, and we can be baritone uke twins. Not just uke twins anymore, but baritone uke twins, which is, you know, just something special. I'm so excited for, you know, announcing this and finally coming out that I play the baritone as well, which is exciting. Hopefully you guys are just as excited. And again, let me know what you think about this baritone. Let me know if you're excited and what songs you want to learn on this uke, on the baritone uke. So thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe, to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to you. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I know there's 86 bajillion, gajillion, trillion videos that you can watch on YouTube, not even on this channel, on YouTube in general. So thank you so much for clicking and watching this video. I truly can't thank you enough. We've reached over 51,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is absolutely bananas. I can't even, that's such a big number. Oh my God, I'm gonna start sweating just thinking about it, but thank you so much for subscribing and watching these videos. Also, if you do wanna follow me on Instagram, we've reached over 56,000 Uke fam members. I'll put it up right here. It's just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to follow me, tag me on all your stuff. I always love to reshare and repost your things that you tag me in. And yeah, that's it pretty much. Thank you so much for watching. I really can't thank you enough. Baritone I'm in love with, and hopefully you are just as excited and in love with the baritone as I am. I just kissed my baritone. It's official. We are in love. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye.